So, andito tayo ngayon sa Park Terraces in Makati City, across Glorieta Mall, to check this new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit, 66 square meters, 1 bedroom, and it comes with a parking space. And as you can see, it looks good as brand new. Mukhang hindi po siya nagamit ng previous owner because may plastic cover pa tong cooktop niya. So we have built-in cabinets, overhead and under. And then we have a laundry area here. Ayan. And the bathroom area with shower enclosure and access to the bedroom. Okay, so the bedroom comes with built-in cabinets, and it has a balcony facing Makati. Yeah. And then from your bedroom, let's go to the living area. So this is the living area. It has access to the balcony also. Okay. So again, so this is for bidding, and the starting bid price is around 16.9 million. And our mode of payment is cash or at least 10% spot down payment, and then 90% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So this is already below market value. The original price of this property was around 27 million, and now it's around 16.9 million. So if you are interested to make a bid and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. This is conveniently located across Glorieta Mall. So again, if you are interested to make a bid and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. And this is as is where is basis. So meron siyang play area. Grade ba ito, kuya? Commercial grade. Parang pang commercial din yung ano niya. Parang Anytime Fitness, parang ganon. Ano yung taas niya?
Sauna.
Sauna. Okay naman pala. Adult and kiddie pool na pala to.